Guys, the next question says radius of the Bohr's orbit is 0.5 angstrom. Now please understand this, the Bohr's orbit is actually the part of atoms and nuclei, the chapter, and here you can consider this Bohr orbit as nothing but the orbit around the nucleus where the electron revolves. So the radius of that orbit is given as 0.5 angstrom. So R is given as 0.5 angstrom, which means 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now further the question says, if speed of the electron is 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. The speed is 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. And they want us to find the equivalent current. So basically they want us to find the current value, I. Now practically we already know that I is rate of flow of charge per unit time. That is the standard definition of current. And here the charge is definitely going to be electron, because it is the single electron which is revolving in that orbit. Now here if I take this as equation number 1 and I apply a simple formula of velocity, which is the distance covered per unit time, can I say when it is orbiting around the nucleus, the distance covered by the electron in one revolution is going to be 2 pi r, which is nothing but the circumference of that orbit. And so we can say the time is 2 pi r by v. And definitely we can take this as equation number 2. We can substitute the equation 2 in equation 1. Once we do that, we get the value of I is equal to E upon 2 pi r by v, which v goes on top. So now we just need to substitute the values and get the answer. The value of E, the charge of electron, I hope everyone remember, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb into the velocity given as 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second upon 2 pi into the radius is given as 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10. So now please pay attention, how am I going for the shortcut calculations to make our calculation much easy. Can I say 2 into 0.5 is 1? So 2 and 0.5 gets cancelled. Now 1.6 into 2 is 3.2 and the value of pi is 3.14. So 3.2 and 3.14 is almost the same. So I can cancel them. Now we are left with only the power of tens. So minus 10 in the denominator, 10 raised to minus 10, when it goes in the numerator becomes 10 raised to plus 10. So 10 raised to plus 10 and 10 raised to 6 becomes 10 raised to 16. And we have 10 raised to minus 19 with it. So 10 raised to 16 into 10 raised to minus 19 will give you 10 raised to minus 3. And that means 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, or we can say 1 milliampere. And that is the final answer.